Alright guys, Levi and I just got here to Beau's. Over here is the Volvo. As you can see, it's already on wheels and tires. It's not on the driveway anymore. Anyways, we got a lot of stuff done on it. We're gonna shoot to that footage in a little bit. Right now we're gonna go find out what Beau's doing. I have a feeling he's in here probably naked or something. What are you doing, Beau?
I'm working.
You get paid for that?
I wish. What are you doing? Oh.
You getting in a fight?
I'm about to die. See what happens. It's like the only thing that happens. And 81st place.
81st. How do you feel about that?
Didn't really work out like I wanted it to. Yeah, whatever.
Well, alright guys, I'm going to hand the camera over to Beau pretty much and we'll see what's going on.
Hey everybody, this is Beau from the Local Losers. Y'all just witnessed me being terrible at Fortnite. That's pretty much me every day. This is the Swedish Hot Rod. Last time we worked on it, we had swapped the suspension so we could get it on the ground. We put the wheels and tires on it. We put the motor in, the B230FT from the last drift car. We got the transmission on that, the whole drive line up. We had some sway bars and panhard bars and torque rods loose, stuff like that, so we had to bolt all that up. This is how that went. This is our transmission crossmember. When we got the engine in, it was pretty late at night, so we kind of stopped there and left the jack up under the transmission. Now that we're back to working on the Volvo, we're going to take this transmission crossmember and we're going to, support the transmission the right way. Alright, so me and Ronnie are up under this Volvo and we can't get these transmission crossmember holes to line up. One side, the other side is bolted in, but this side is about an inch back from where it's supposed to be. So Alex said this is completely normal. He said that on Volvos like this, there's a lot of preload on the transmission, the rubber mount between the transmission and the crossmember itself. He said that it actually takes more load off of the engine than it's supposed to because the front engine mounts are way too small and close together. So right now, Ronnie and I are going to try to just kind of put a foot on it and push it to line the holes up. And if we can get the holes lined up, we're going to try to get a bolt in it. If we can get a bolt in it, we're going to try to put another bolt in it, so on and so forth. You get the picture. So let's do this. So last night we ran out of light while we were swapping the suspension over. We managed to get the transmission crossmember up. We got the carrier bearing in, the drive shaft in. We've still got some suspension arms hanging down in the back that we've got to button up.
Daddy.
Oh yeah?
Should we come? Hi.
This is Levi. He's been a huge help.
Okay.
He already knows about zip ties. Alright, so it looks like we've got like a torque rod or a traction rod to mount up. And we've got our sway bar that we've got to finish mounting. We still have to put wheels and tires on. And we still got to swap over the rest of the front suspension to the passenger side. And this is Ronnie's face.
My face.
Yeah. Alright, just a little public service announcement here. If you're working on anything old, doing a restoration project, you get a vehicle from somebody else and you don't know the condition of everything on it, make sure that you go through especially all your suspension bolts, your suspension components. Make sure everything's been bolted up. Make sure everything has a nut on it. Make sure everything's torqued to spec-ish. So make sure you check all that stuff before you hop in your car and go freaking boosting all over the place. You'll find yourself like, you know, running into a little old lady or a whiny baby like this one. Man, this interior needs some work. It's a little smelly in here, pretty dry, pretty dusty. The Arizona sun does some wicked things to cars when they just sit. Hopefully next time we work on the car we can get the Mega Squirt put in. I got a Mega Squirt 2 that I bought from my buddy Alex. He also made a harness for it. Hopefully we can get all that put in. Once the car's running, maybe we'll be able to get some drag strip footage or drift footage or rallycross footage, something fun for you guys, so you're not just watching build videos all the time. That's pretty much it for now, until we get some more work done on this thing. So we'll see you guys later.